It is insanely windy today. I just arrived at my next stop. I just spent 4 hours at an antique mall. It's probably the longest I've ever spent at one antique mall straight ever. So I have 2 more stops. I'm going to call it a day early today because I'm pretty worn out. I drove really, really far and have done a lot of shopping. So far I've bought 79 items, but I'm not stopping there. I'm still looking for really good deals for my Whatnot account, and I'm looking for that super kitschy special item for my Etsy. Let's go. This place is kind of a oldie but goodie treasure place for me. Everything in here is $1. So I am getting my basket ready to go. First of all, I'm gonna pick up a couple of these probably. I think these are really pretty. I'll pick up 2 of these. You do have to look out for chips. These are Italian. Yeah, these are really pretty. I think I'm gonna pick up these ones. This one's not dated. I'm gonna put that one back. I'm not a big fan of the maroon. I know, for $1, you're like, why don't you just get all of it? And sometimes it'd be like that, but I'm also kind of looking at these. These are amazing. I think I'll get a couple of these. I think I'll, what about looking for ones that don't have as much wear and tear on them? So pretty. Oh my gosh, but they got the bunny planters. Yes! 2, 3. I have filled my first basket. Now I'm kind of just like fried, honestly. It's very overwhelming coming here. This is really pretty. Yeah, it's pretty overwhelming. I mean, because like I said, it's all $1. It's like, why don't you just buy everything? Should I get one of these Italian vases? Ooh, here you go. These are made in Japan. I'll get one of these. I might get 2. I'll put one on Whatnot, one on Etsy. And I like that these are boxes. Those are kind of great. Since they're boxes, I'm gonna get a couple of those. I think those will do well on Whatnot. Oh my gosh, look at these guys. We're gonna get a bunch of these. And I really like the ashtray. Is it an ashtray? Used to go. It's got a chip. That one's got a chip. What about this one? Is this one all chipped up? That one looks okay to me. Right? Am I missing it? No, it looks pretty good. And what about these? I really like these floral ones though. Did I get this one? Yeah. I feel like I'm missing a color. There are only 2 colors though, right? I'm kind of out of it. And then they have 50% off in this booth. Here's one of those little deer milks. Those are so cute. I've had these a bunch. $6, not bad. Elephant bang. And then this is kind of cool. I couldn't help but notice it was only $4 and then it's 50% off. I'm gonna grab that for $2. I do remember downstairs was more furniture and stuff, so I'm headed up. Oh my gosh, look at all this. $45 for that set. Okay, I can leave that alone. The poodles though. How much are the poodle planters? I normally don't buy the all black ones, but this place is so cheap and it's all old new stock. $8, that's cheap, but I'm gonna do a lap around before I start loading it up. Oh my gosh, and look at the teapots. Got a hen situation happening over here. These are probably expensive. 24, yeah. Can't do anything with that. These are probably pricey too, but they sure are neat. I don't see a price on them. They seem to all be, oh, here you go. 3 chicken cups, $24? That's kind of neat. I feel like I could make a couple bucks on that, but it's more than I'd like to spend. And even though I'm not the biggest white milk glass fan, I love the handkerchief style. $15, that's super fair. I could still make money on this too. I feel like I picked up one of these recently and I don't remember. I'm gonna keep looking though. Like I said, it's kind of hard spending $15 when I've already filled 2 baskets for 20 bucks. Well, I'm gonna start over here. I see the Homeco stuff up there. I don't really do Homeco. It was that cat. Here's that cat planter. Is this $13. All right. Yeah, I don't really want to deal with that. That's about what I'd charge for that too. Let's see. Ashtrays in here. These seem to be more retail. $6. That's a really good price for that one. This one's really cool. $10, not bad. Well, I am kind of in love with this vase, even though it's missing a little bit of its paint. It is 10. Oh, it's repaired. Just kidding. I was gonna say it's only $10. And then what's happening here? This lamp, $24. That's a really fair price, but I don't want to mess with it. The shade is really heavy. If you guys are hearing some crazy noise, it is the wind outside. I was not kidding when I said that it was really mugs. Wait, is this for all of them? 1. Yeah, I think it is. 2, 3. Even these white ones, which I normally wouldn't care about. Let's see, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, that's $3 each. That's super cheap. Huh. I'm like kind of amazed that those are as good a deal. The Fire King Kimberly mugs, I think they're really fun. I think I should go ahead and get these. I'd be kind of crazy not to. It's like a really good deal. The white ones I'm not crazy about, but I won't sell them for much. And then what about these salt and pepper shakers? Those are new. All right, I think that's it. I'm gonna put this basket at the foot of the stairs here and get a new one, I guess. I don't know what happened to the basket, so I'm just gonna keep looking. This is kind of cool. Don't see a price though. This is not the kind of place that calls, I feel like. And the glass is expensive over there. That's kind of nice. It's only $5. That little basket. What about the blue hobnail? It's probably expensive. And I told myself I'd not buy glass baskets, and I already even bought one today. Now this is what I'm talking about. Let me put that down. Let's get into this, shall we? The one with the stars, that's really neat. $7. I feel like I saw these last time I was up here for cheaper somewhere. Is that one all chipped up? No, not really. It's really cool. I like the star on it. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do what I should have done last time and left my basket here and just done a lap and looked at everything before I started grabbing everything. Like, that's really cool. I really like that. What's up with the cats? Are those Italian? They look like they might be, yeah. Sure, a lot of them. The question is, how much are they? They're probably like $6 or something crazy. Something crazy cheap. Yeah, again, no price. You gotta find something with the price on it. That's the trick. Lots of salt and pepper shakers. These are kind of cute. $5 is definitely more than I'd like to pay for those. And these are in relatively good condition for that set. I see it a lot though. It's usually pretty rough. 24, can't do that. Like the owls, how much are they? 12, yeah, no. That's about how much I'd charge for those too. The prices are kind of random here. Oh my gosh. What? Italy, these are amazing. What are they, crabs? They're so funny. And I love those cats, but they're 12 each. Yeah, those are all 12. These are very cool. Italian black and white dresser boxes, $7. What? They're definitely heavy, but they're very cool. I think I kind of want to get one and see how well it does. Oh my gosh, I'm so overwhelmed. I've spent so much money today. These are all very pretty, but they're all very close to retail. What is this vase? $12. Something's going on there that I'm unfamiliar with. Like, barely fits there. See, I could just like easily grab all of this. Like the set of 8 coin. Oh, see, I need to come back here. That's what I said last time, and I didn't. This is kind of neat. Yeah, I need to come back. What is this? This thing's epic. Candle holder. Italy, $6. That is very cool. I think I'm gonna get this. See, look at what's going on up here with all the like lampshades and decanters. Just so much epicness. But what in the world is this? Donkey vase, $8 each. Wow, those are incredible. We have to pick out one with a good face. All right, so I ended up putting back the dresser box. I have the candle holder. I just think it's cool. I have the opalescent trinket jar, and then I do have, this is not a vase. This is a candle holder. Now, don't be upset, because what I do know that you guys don't know is that I'm leaving this stuff, and I'm taking a risk because I'm going down the street, which there's another one of these, and I think there's more, and I actually think it's cheaper. All right, I'm going back outside downstairs underground here. They have like a $5 section. I almost forgot about it. Everything down here is $5. So that's got crazing. It's got a couple cracks too. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look at that funny bunny thing. This is epic. You know, I bought a couple of these and they did not sell well. That one's really cracked. Ashtrays. Best Western. That's really fun. For $5. It's glass too. Oh, whoa. Well, we have to get this. And we're gonna get these, not the soccer dish. I was putting that down so I could look at this vase. I'm just like nervous that it's cracked. Man, I'm like gonna have a hell of a time getting out of here, aren't I? Let's see. That's quite nice. $5. I think I'm gonna grab that. Oh, but look at this. How fun. Ah, it's got a big chip. Now, I think I looked at that planter the last time. There was something wrong with it. That's why I left it there. Oh, there's multiple of them. I think they're just kind of real grimy. And this is really pretty. Balboa. Huh. I wonder what the original price tag was on this. $21. Now it's $5. Italy, Venetian glass. It's nice. I'm overwhelmed. Oh my gosh, look at this little thing though. We have to get one of these. We love that. Of course, but look, here's another one of those girls on the swing planter. I already paid $11 for one today, but it's so fantastic. I think I'm gonna get another one. I picked up a couple extra things. I'm packing the car up right now. I'm pretty fried, honestly, and I had a lot in my hands. I kind of cut that one short because I'm really ready to go to the place down the street, which I think is just a continuation of this. I don't know if I even said it. I spent $76 in there, which is insane. I got a lot of stuff. I'm gonna get my last box, and I'll see you guys when I get down the road. I remember this place is having really tight spaces and having to crawl, so I left my jacket inside. I just have my wallet. It says open, but to be honest, it really looks closed. Let's go into the first shed here. Yeah, I'm not so certain the sheds are closed. Let's see what's going on inside. I really hope this place is open. I'd be so foolish if I read the hours wrong. So, big bummer. It turns out they are only open Friday through Sunday or something for the winter. I think I'm gonna go home, at least head that direction. So I will see you guys later tonight for a haul.